5 more minutes.
Good morning, Glab Squad.
What's up, Glab Squad? Anyways, it's always getting in the way. I'm not feeling very glabulous this morning. I just woke up. Today, you're going on a field trip with Mr. Wow! You get to check out what I do on a daily basis, but that's not going to happen without my morning cup of coffee. Catch up with you in a sec.
Alright, Glab Squad. I'm dressed, I'm ready, and I'm on my way to work. Let's go. Damn, I missed the elevator. I'm here at the metro station, waiting for my first train. I take 2 trains to get to work. Here's my train. Right now I'm at a station called S2.218, and I'm about to hop on another train. Go, Glab Squad, go, Glab Squad, go! I forgot to tell you guys, not only do I take 2 trains to get here, I also take 1 bus to get to the school. So 1 subway train, 1 surface train, and a bus. Wait for the bus, bitch! I'm on the bus, bitch! I'm here, and this is my class. I don't think I'm going to be able to record because there are children, minors in this class, and I don't have consent to show them, but I don't know. I'll try to figure something out. These are some of my students' self-portraits. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Alejandro!
Hola.
Is the class of English or Spanish?
Spanish, hello.
Sergio, spell green. Green. Then tomorrow I get to do it all over again.
Well, that was pretty much it, Glab Squad. I know it wasn't a whole lot of video, but you get the general idea of what I do on a day-to-day basis, Monday through Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys again next Wednesday. Alright, peace.